not a game, it's a rich thing.
What if your next bike could light up like a sci-fi movie and balance itself better than you do on Monday mornings? From invisible helmets to tail lights with brains, today's bike gadgets are not just smart, they're next level. Let's kick it off with a two-wheeled ride that looks like it time-traveled from the future. Meet the Cyclotron bike, a hubless LED lit, fully electric machine that throws every traditional bike rule out the window. No spokes, no chains, and no old-school limits. This thing uses solid polymer airless tires and an ultra-lightweight carbon frame to give you a ride that's both smooth and totally eye-catching. At night, it glows with customizable LED lights inside its wheel rims, making you visible from every direction. And yes, it's got integrated sensors, a built-in smartphone dock, and automatic gear shifting. Basically, if Batman commuted to work, this is what he'd ride. Now let's flip the script with something that gives your current bike a supercharged upgrade. Introducing the Switch Max Plus, the electric bike conversion kit that transforms any standard bicycle into a high-performance e-bike. It's ultra-lightweight, takes just minutes to install, and features a sleek front hub motor and a powerful battery pack that straps neatly to your handlebars. What's wild? The entire setup weighs under 3 kilograms, so you're not lugging around a tank. With a top-assisted speed of up to 20 miles per hour and a range of over 20 miles per charge, this kit breathes new life into your old ride without breaking the bank or the bike's aesthetic. It's portable, rechargeable, and genuinely thrilling. But what about safety? After all, it doesn't matter how fast you go if nobody sees you coming. That's where the laser light core steps in. It's not just a front light, it's a heads-up warning system for traffic. The laser light projects a green bike symbol on the road ahead, letting cars know you're coming before they see you. It's built with a 400-lumen LED and long-lasting battery life, but the real genius is the laser projection. It significantly reduces blind spot risks and makes nighttime rides way safer. Rain or shine, this thing keeps you seen and safe. And with a waterproof aluminum body, it's rugged enough for everyday city chaos. Ever wish your bike could think for itself? Or at least help you cruise without constantly shifting gears or checking battery stats? Say hello to the Acer EII, a smart urban e-bike powered by AI. Yep, actual artificial intelligence. The EII automatically adjusts power output based on your pedaling style, terrain, and even weather conditions. It learns how you ride and optimizes your commute in real time. With a sleek minimalist frame, a swappable battery, and built-in anti-theft GPS, it's designed for city riders who want tech doing the heavy lifting. Plus, it connects to your phone for custom ride settings and health tracking. It's lightweight, responsive, and way smarter than your average e-bike. Next up, meet the ultimate emergency buddy for cyclists, the Lion Box. This isn't your ordinary bike battery. The Lion Box is a portable energy system with USB-C charging, a bike light power port, and enough juice to recharge your phone, GoPro, or even a Bluetooth speaker, all while you ride. It's waterproof, dustproof, and mounts securely to your frame. Whether you're on a city loop or a backwoods trail, this power bank keeps your gadgets running and your lights glowing. And with its compact size, it blends in with your gear without weighing you down. Think of it as your bike's personal backup generator. Now, get ready to rethink everything you thought you knew about gears and chains. Introducing string drive bikes, a radical redesign of the classic bike drivetrain. Instead of a greasy, high-maintenance chain, this system uses synthetic strings and pulleys to move the rear wheel. The result? A smoother, quieter ride with fewer parts to fail. No derailleurs, no chain slap, just clean, silent motion. And the best part? The string tension adjusts automatically for efficient pedaling, whether you're climbing hills or cruising flat roads. It's like riding in stealth mode with the added bonus of nearly zero maintenance. Ever see a bike that's part scooter, part skateboard, and part magic trick? That's exactly what you get with the Halfike. This ultra-portable stand-up cycle looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi film. With 2 front wheels and 1 in the back, It's designed for a completely different riding posture. Now, let's talk protection without popping a single tire. Say goodbye to flats with Tannis armor, the ultimate insert that shields your tubes from thorns, glass, and rough terrain. Sitting snugly between your tire and inner tube, Tannis armor acts like a bulletproof vest for your wheels. It can absorb up to 15 millimeters of puncture impact, which means fewer emergency patch jobs and a lot more peace of mind. Great for city riders, mountain bikers, or anyone tired of carrying CO2 cartridges like snacks. And the best part? It adds just the right amount of stiffness for better cornering and control without making your ride feel bulky or heavy. And for a bike that practically balances itself, meet the Gyro bike. Yes, it's real, and yes, it uses gyroscopic technology to help stabilize itself, especially at low speeds. Originally designed to help beginners learn to ride, Gyro bike has since evolved into a brilliant solution for commuters, kids, and even riders with mobility challenges. The front wheel contains a high-speed spinning disc that creates a gyroscopic effect, keeping the bike upright even if you're wobbly. It's a game changer for confidence, control, and safety. Whether you're teaching your child or want a steadier ride for yourself, this tech takes balance to a whole new level. If your bike could talk to traffic, what would it say? Probably something like, "Hey, don't hit me!" That's essentially what Roadwear does. It's wearable, smart visibility tech that lets cyclists communicate with surrounding vehicles using light signals and GPS syncing. This high-tech vest or backpack lights up with bright LED indicators showing your turns, stops, and movements in real time. But here's where it gets brilliant. It syncs with cycling apps like Strava and Ride with GPS to auto-trigger signals based on your route. That means no buttons or distractions while riding. It's like your own personal traffic light system, strapped right to your back. Ready to convert your regular bike into an electric beast? Check out the Scarper eBike conversion kit. Unlike bulky, hard-to-install kits, Scarper snaps onto your bike's disc brake in seconds, literally. The sleek disc drive motor unit powers your rear wheel with smart torque sensors that kick in as you pedal. When you're done riding, just pop it off and take it with you like a power bank. No wires, no frame mods, no hassle. It's ideal for city commuters who want e-bike power without committing to a full-on electric setup. Lightweight, removable, and surprisingly powerful, it's like adding turbo mode to your bike on demand. Now, if you're looking for a conversion kit with some serious muscle, the Bayang 750-watt mid-drive conversion kit turns your mountain or hybrid bike into a hill-dominating machine. With 750 watts of raw torque, it powers through inclines like a dream, making it perfect for off-roaders, long-distance commuters, or weekend adventurers. Unlike hub motors, this mid-drive design integrates with your crankset for better balance, higher efficiency, and a more natural riding feel. The kit includes an LCD display, pedal assist levels, throttle control, and a battery system that won't leave you stranded. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder why you didn't go electric sooner. Who says turning your old bike electric has to be complicated? Not the Rubby X electric bicycle conversion kit. This slick rear-mounted device attaches to your seat post and rests against your rear tire. No tools, no chains, no frame surgery. Just clamp it on and boom! You've got pedal-assisted power in minutes. It uses a friction roller to deliver smooth acceleration, and its modular battery system lets you extend your range on the go. One battery gives you up to 10 miles, but stack on 2 more and you're cruising for 30. Plus, it's got Bluetooth connectivity, app integration, and regenerative braking. Simple, stylish, and ridiculously efficient. Now let's light things up, literally, with the Cyclic Fly 6 Pro Cam Light Combo. This rear light does more than shine. It records full HD video from behind your bike while functioning as a powerful tail light. It's like a dash cam for your ride, perfect for safety, evidence in case of an accident, or just capturing scenic trails. With a long battery life, smart looping storage, and weather-resistant housing, the Fly 6 Pro is a must-have for serious cyclists, and it even connects to your computer for easy footage review. Ride lit, ride safe, and capture every second. Safety meets smart design with the Fend foldable bike helmet. Yes, it folds. In fact, it folds down to nearly half its size, making it perfect for commuters and city riders who hate lugging around bulky helmets. But don't let the folding fool you. This thing meets rigorous safety standards and protects just like a standard helmet. With built-in ventilation, adjustable fit, and a sleek urban design, it's the ideal balance between convenience and protection. Toss it in your backpack, your tote, or even your briefcase. It's the helmet you'll actually want to carry around. What if your taillight could think for itself? The Magic Shine SEMIE 300 Smart Taillight is basically the Tesla of rear lights. With an ultra-bright 300 lumen output and a built-in motion sensor, this smart light adjusts automatically to your riding conditions. It gets brighter when you brake, flashes more intensely in traffic, and even dims when you're at a standstill, so you're never wasting power. The 260-degree visibility ensures you're seen from all angles, day or night. And the USB-C rechargeable battery lasts up to 60 hours depending on the mode. It's compact, aerodynamic, and smart enough to make other taillights feel outdated. Now let's flip to the front with the Nog Blinder Pro 900 front light. This isn't your average bike light. It's a compact beast. Pumping out a strong 900 lumens in a sleek, waterproof body, the Blinder Pro lights up the road ahead like a mini spotlight. Whether you're riding in pitch-black conditions or through foggy trails, the beam is crisp and far-reaching. It attaches securely via a tool-free silicone strap and charges fast via USB-C. With multiple lighting modes, long battery life, and Nog's iconic design, it's built for performance and durability without the bulk. And if that's not enough illumination, meet the Revelits Wheel LED illumination system. These aren't just lights, they're circular brilliance. Revelits mount directly to your wheel rims, creating bright arcs of white in the front and red in the rear. The lights sync with your wheel speed to maintain visibility patterns that mimic automotive lights. You're not just seen, you're unmistakable. They even offer turn signals and braking indicators. Plus, they look insanely cool in motion. It's high-visibility tech that turns your whole bike into a moving light show. And yes, it's completely weatherproof. If taillights could earn PhDs, the Eason's Shield Smart Tail Light would graduate top of its class. This isn't just a rear light, it's a reactive, intelligent safety system. It uses radar sensing and brake detection to respond instantly to traffic behavior and rider movement. When you brake suddenly, the light flares brighter to alert anyone behind you. And when it senses a vehicle approaching from the rear, it ramps up intensity for visibility. It's compact, USB rechargeable, and built to handle rain, dust, and rough terrain. For urban cyclists or night riders, this light adds a whole new level of smart protection. Now let's talk security that folds like origami and locks like a vault, the Foldy lock. This folding lock looks like a ruler but unfolds into a solid, flexible defense system for your bike. Made from hardened steel with ultra-strong rivets, it's incredibly resistant to bolt cutters, saws, and leverage attacks. And when not in use, it folds down into a small case that mounts to your bike frame or slips in your bag. Lightweight yet rugged, it offers a perfect balance between portability and hardcore protection. It's like the Swiss Army knife of locks. Compact, secure, and always ready. Want to make your bike communicate with traffic? The Cycle wing lights make it happen, with style. These turn signal indicators attach to the ends of your handlebars and flash bright amber when you press the button. It's the kind of visibility that turns heads and keeps drivers aware of your every move. Perfect for nighttime riders, urban commuters, or anyone navigating traffic-heavy routes, wing lights are waterproof, durable, and super easy to install. Once you use them, hand signals alone feel like ancient tech. It's turn-by-turn communication that keeps everyone safer on the road. What's loud enough to make a car actually pay attention? The loud bicycle horn. This thing sounds just like a car horn, seriously. With a blast as loud as 125 decibels, it cuts through the city noise and grabs attention instantly. Unlike tiny bell rings that get ignored, this horn says, "I'm here, don't hit me." It mounts cleanly onto your handlebars and connects to a button you can easily tap with your thumb. Whether you're navigating busy intersections or dodging distracted drivers, this horn gives cyclists a voice that no one can miss. It's not rude, it's survival. Now let's go low profile with high function, the Granite Stash RCX Stealth Mini Tool. This tiny multi-tool hides inside your bike's steerer tube, completely out of sight until you need it. Pop it out, and you've got hex bits, a flathead screwdriver, and even a chain breaker all in one. It's the ultimate emergency toolkit for riders who hate bulky saddlebags or tool rolls. Designed for quick access and totally silent while stored, it's perfect for mountain bikers, gravel grinders, and minimalists who still want to be prepared for anything. Next, make space without adding clutter with the Topeak folding basket. Need storage on the fly? This basket snaps open in seconds and folds flat when you're done. Whether you're picking up groceries, carrying a backpack, or hauling picnic gear, it gives you plenty of room without permanently bulking up your frame. It's lightweight, sturdy, and designed to handle real-world loads. Plus, it mounts securely to your rear rack. With this, your bike instantly doubles as a cargo carrier. And when it's folded, it's barely noticeable. And finally, say goodbye to manual tire inflation with the Syomi AS2 Mini Portable E Air Pump. This pocket-sized powerhouse inflates your bike tires with the push of a button. Just set your desired pressure, attach the nozzle, and let it do the work. It's surprisingly strong for its size, capable of handling everything from road bikes to mountain tires, and it auto-stops when the target PSI is reached. It's got a built-in battery, USB-C charging, and even a flashlight for late-night fixes. Whether you're at home or on the trail, it's the perfect tool for fast, precise inflation without the sweat. And that's a wrap on today's lineup of mind-blowing bike tech. If you saw something you'd love on your next ride, check out the links in the description below. This is Smart Gadgets Picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite gadget from the list. Until next time, ride smart, ride safe.